Okay, so we'll start in just a minute. Okay. Okay, can you see my slide? Can you see my slide?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let's start with the week 9. It's we would like to talking about the greedy algorithm. So so this is the some contents that we would like to introduce you about the greedy algorithm, and then some examples in the greedy algorithms is change coin problems, assignment problem, job sequencing problem, and finally we go to the knapsack problem as the previous examples. So okay, here we go. So what is greedy algorithms? So the greedy algorithm in this one is known as the algorithm for solving optimization problem. Okay, so generally this optimization problem is, of course, that is to find the optimal solution. The optimal solution can be either maximums or minimum. And what is actually the greedy algorithm? The greedy algorithm has the characteristic. What the characteristic? The characteristic is take what you can get now. So something like it's a greedy. It's like human greedy. It should be can take anything. Okay, it can take what you can get now. So that we will go to the example for these characteristics. Therefore, in this case, greedy algorithm produce local optimum. Okay, so we call about the local optimum, and with expectation produce the global minimum. So we will see in example that greedy algorithm can always find the local minimum, but the global minimum maybe it can be uh, it can reach the global minimum or maybe not. Okay, so that will be you will be understand this in the examples. And or in other words, greedy is in the algorithmic paradigms that build up a solution piece by piece, always choosing the next piece that offers the most obvious and immediate benefits. Okay, so the problem we're choosing locally optimal also leads to global solution are best fit for greedy. Okay, so that's the definition of the greedy algorithm. So actually we focus on this one. So we focus on the greedy algorithm is that, okay, to find they have the characteristic take what you can get now. Okay, so what is that in detail? So let's go. Okay, now we go to the problem. This is a very famous problem. We call the change problem, the change coin change problem. Okay, so what is this problem? So let's consider that the simple example of a coin change problem. Given a money, you have a money with A. Okay, so you have a paper money. For instance, the value is A, and then you want to change your money into some available coins. Okay, so in this one, um, you would like to find the minimum of total coin can be used. Okay, so this is the minimum. Okay, you get to the minimum, and the problem of coin change of money can be begin with the set of coin. This is the set of coin. So you have a coin, and you have a set of this coin, and you have the solutions. This is solutions. Okay, so where xi is the total, the number of the coin that you take, the coin of the A you take. Okay, so this is the number of this one, and the problem is written in mathematically something like that. You want to minimize this problem with the constraint that it should always equal to A. Okay, should be the numbers time of the solution, the sum of this one, it should be equal to A, since that you want to change. Okay, change, it should be exactly the numbers, the total number of coin that it should be. If you adding all of the coin that you got, that it should be equal to the A. Okay, any questions for this problem? Any questions? Any questions?
Sir, so the D is the number of the step.
Sorry, D is the coin. For instance, you have coins. You have coins. Maybe in Indonesia, you have a coins is 100 coins. Okay, sorry, 100 and 200 coins and 500 coin, right? And 1000, right? Okay, do you understand?
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, so and then you have a, maybe you have for instance, actually actually you have 2000. Okay, Indonesia, it's very difficult, so 2000 rupiah. Okay, you have a 2000 rupiah, yes. And then you have a solution X. What's the solution of X? It's a tuple of, it is the n, and this is 1 2 3 4. Okay,
Double of 4.
yes, it should be the solution of 4, and that means that this should be okay. So the optimal solution, of course, it's so the optimal solution should be this is 0 0 0. You will have, this is 2, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, any questions? Any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay, it is okay. So it should be a 0 for 100 and 0 for 200, a 0 for 500 and 2 for 1000. So that's mean you will got the sum of this one, the sum of 1 to 4, that you find di time xi, it should be 2000. Okay. Okay, any questions?
No, no, sir.
Okay, so go back to now the problem that we would like to solve. Okay, so this is the example. Okay, so example, you have a coin that $1. So you have a coins. So you have a coins in this one. You have a coins. You have coins is 1, 5, 10, and 25. And then you have A is equal to 32. Okay, and then how to solve this one? Okay, actually, we can solve this one by two methods. First, I would like to consider about to solve this one by brute force. Solve by brute force. Okay, solve by brute force. How to solve by brute force? So, did you remember about what the characteristic of brute force? Any can answer? So, what are the characteristics of brute force? What are the main characteristics of brute force? Anyone?
We trace it one by one, sir.
Solved by one. Okay,
Yeah.
so it something brute force is just very straightforward. So that means straightforward. For instance, we can list all the candidate of the solutions. Okay, so then for instance, you will have 32 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus blah 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 plus 1, and then you will got maybe this is 32 coins, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so and then you can list another one. So this is something like you generate all the possibility of 32 from that your solutions. For instance, you have a 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10 and then you plus 1 plus 1, and it also you have a 7 coin, right? On etc. So maybe you will find 32 is 10 plus 10 plus 10 and plus 1 plus 1, you will have 5 coins. Okay, okay, and then you will find, actually you will find the minimum coins that you got is, it is 25 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, it is 4 coins. Okay, so this is the optimal solution. Okay, remember that this is, it solved, this problem is solved by brute force algorithm. Okay, so how about when we want to solve this by the greedy algorithm? Okay, how to solve this one by greedy algorithm? Okay, so then by the greedy algorithm, so we need by greedy algorithm, so this is by greedy algorithm. Okay, we need to first that we order, okay, we sort the coins into descending order. Okay, so then the coins is ordered by, this is 25 and 10, so go back to here, 10, 5 and 1, so this is 5 and 1. Okay, so it is sorting with descending order. Okay, so then as the solution itself is 32 is equal to, then we should consider about the characteristic of greedy is take what you can get. Okay, so then go back to the characteristics. So the characteristic, take what you can get now. Okay, take what you can get now. So what you can get now, of course that you first consider about the maximum, and then you feel this is 25 since it's the less than 32, 25. Okay, so what the remain coin that you need? 25. What's your remain coin? 7, right? You need 7, right? Okay.
Yes, 7.
Okay,
Yeah, so then
Yes,
5.
sir.
Seven, sir.
you need 7, but the problem is 7 is not in this one, right?
Yeah.
So the
So
rest is
so
five,
so
one,
so then
one.
10 it is not possible since this is greater than 7, then this is not possible, then you should pick 5, so this is 5. Okay, and then should be, this is plus 2,
One.
but the problem is that 2, okay, the 2 is not also available in this one, so but the nearest one is 1, so that you should adding 1 plus 1. Okay, so and then you will find actually it is 4 coins.
Oh.
Okay, and then this is exactly that what we have the optimal solutions, the optimal solution in the brute force algorithm. Okay, so in the brute force algorithm we will find actually a similar, it is 4 coins, and also in the greedy algorithm. Okay, any other questions for this one?
No.
No.
Okay, so now go back to the another example. Okay, so now we have the coins. Okay, so now we have a coins of, now is a coin is 5, 4, 3, 1. Okay, and then you have a is, okay, $7. Okay, so now of course that using brute force, okay, by brute force, then you need to exactly generate all the solutions. So 7 is can be 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sorry, this is 1 plus blah blah blah. It should be plus 1 in 7 coins, right?
Yes.
So that's the worst case. And then, or you will find 7 is 5 plus 1 plus 1. It should be 3 coins that you have. What actually make the optimal solutions with 7?
4 plus 3.
Yes, should be 4 plus 3, right?
Yeah.
4 plus 3, it is 2 coins. It is 2 coins, and etc. Okay? So then you will find this is the optimal solution. Optimal solution. Okay. Next. So how about D? So we copy about that. 5, 4, 3, 1. Okay. So you have a coins. So 5, 4, 3, 1. And then you have A is $7. Okay. And then how about using if you using by the greedy algorithm. So this is already ordered by coin. So this is actually 5, 4, 3, 1. It is already sort. This is already sorting with descending order, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So then 7 is equal to, first you should pick 5. Okay. And then you pick 4. You impossible since that you need 2 left, right?
Yeah.
And then
1.
4 it is not possible, and 3 it is not possible, and then of course 1 plus 1. And using greedy algorithm, you can find that this is 3 coins, which is not optimal solution. Not in optimal solution. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So what you can conclude about that?
Sir, why it is not in optimal solution?
Okay, go back to this one. So the optimal solution should be 4 plus 3, right?
Oh yeah, okay.
So
Yes, sir.
you have 2 coins.
Oh,
4 plus
yeah.
3,
Oh
you
yeah.
should
Oh
have
yeah. Oh,
coins. Okay, 2 coins. But in this one, so using the
okay.
greedy algorithm, you find 3 coins, which is this is not the optimal solutions. Okay.
Okay, cool.
So what actually you can get?
The greedy algorithm is not optimal enough.
It's not optimal enough. What do you mean by not optimal? It is.
So it's like greedy algorithm takes all of the coins. In other hand, the what? The the brute force is not take on many coins. Isn't that correct, sir?
How about the efficiency first? You first consider about the efficiency. Which one fastest? Which algorithm give you faster or efficient time?
Greedy algorithm.
Brute force or algorithm?
Algorithm.
First.
Hmm? No, I mean brute force or greedy algorithm. Which one?
Greedy algorithm.
Greedy algorithm, of course. Greedy algorithm produce high efficiency, right?
Yeah.
You can get the fast solutions, but the solution is not guarantee that it is always in optimal solution. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then, this one. So I've already told you about that. The optimal global greedy does not guarantee. Okay. So the greedy algorithm does not guarantee to produce optimal solution. Okay. Okay. So reasons greedy algorithm does not operate all alternative solutions, such as an exhaustive search or greedy. Okay, exhaustive or brute force. So then, actually, there are some different select functions that could be choose. Okay, so then, therefore, the solution greedy algorithm is not always in optimal. Okay, the greedy algorithm is not always in optimal solution. Okay, so but the problem is, if the exact solution is not needed, so if the exact solution is not needed, then greedy algorithm is a good choice. Okay, since that we don't care about the exact solutions. Okay, uh, we don't find that we don't need find the exact, for instance, the previous example that the 7 is 4 plus 3, for instance. Okay, so that you can use this one. Okay, so what the other conclusion in this one? So the exhaustive search, we can find that this is, there are 2 power to the n possibility of solutions. Okay, and so you have 2 power to the n solutions. And for evaluating object functions, you have n. Okay, and then the total time complexity for exhaustive search is this one, big O n time to power to the n. Meanwhile, using the greedy algorithms, okay, to make the choice of next coin optimal, then it needs to sort. Okay, it need to sort. The sorting the coin needs big O n. Okay, and of course that this is unfortunately greedy algorithm is, this problem is not guaranteed. Okay, it's not guaranteed that has the optimal solution. Okay, so that's, and any questions for this one, for the problem of coin change about the greedy? Can you feel that the how the greedy works? Okay,
Mm,
okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, now go to the example. Okay, this one, example 1 and example 2. Okay, so maybe okay, so skip for the brute force. Okay, skip for the brute force and find the greedy algorithm. And I will call you maybe one student to share their Microsoft Excel. Okay, so to find this one. Okay, so work in Excel first. Okay, I will give you maybe 4 minutes. Okay. Can you see? Can you see the problem? No?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
I cannot. I cannot
Okay.
see it.
Okay. So can anyone share? Anyone want to share?
Wait, sir, wait.
So Jonas, come to this class or not? Okay, so I'll let maybe Jonas. Are you here?
Hello, yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, so Jonas, share your file Excels to solve the problem.
Okay, how to share it? What?
Find share. You at the middle of the
Okay,
share your desktop. Yeah, maybe share your desktop.
desktop.
Okay.
Excel. What is this?
So what are your solutions? What are your solutions?
You already open, sir. Great.
Yeah. Yeah, write your solutions. Write your solutions. Given the coin 10, 7, and 1.
Coin.
The coin is 10, 7, and 1.
1. Yes, sir.
And then you have A. A is 15.
A is 15. A is 15.
Okay. Okay, how the greedy algorithm to solve this problem?
Wait, sir. Where is this? I haven't seen the slide, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So
I'm just
okay,
trying.
Salsabila.
Yes, sir.
Yes, share your desktop.
Wait.
Oh yeah, where is the slide?
This one, sir.
Yeah, solve. Yes, please just give a solution. Give the solution for the exercise 1.
The solution is 6 coin.
6 coin. 6
Yeah.
coin. 6 coin. You see?
Wait, sir, nggak bisa.
Okay, just write in your file Excel. Or maybe Microsoft Word. So whatever. Or Notepad or whatever.
Oh, notepad aja.
Yes, whatever. How the solutions? Yes, $15. And then you have a coin of 10, 7, and 1.
The solution is
Hmm?
this one. 6 coin.
Coin is sorry. So the coin is 10, 7, and 1.
Sorry.
No, both. You're wrong in the coin. The coin should
Oh,
be in 10, 7, and 1.
There is 10.
7
10,
and 1.
7. Yes.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. Okay, anyone agree about that? The solution using greedy?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So what are the optimal solutions? Can you find the optimal solutions? Or it is equal to the optimal solutions?
It's equal to the optimal.
Equal.
3.
Hmm. Okay, so this is also the optimal
Solution.
solution.
Select.
Okay,
Solution.
for the second, Aska, please share your desktop.
Motor.
So Aska, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, find the solutions. If you have the coins is 15, 10,
15,
15, 10, and
10,
1.
and 1.
Okay. And you have A equal to 20. What the greedy solutions? Hmm.
6 coins, sir.
6 coin. Okay. Any other question? Any other answer? 6 coins. Is that the
No,
optimal
sir.
solution? Is that optimal solution, Aska?
Hmm. Maybe yes, sir.
Why not? It is
Or no.
exactly. You don't know. So what actually it can is it possible? Is it possible you will got less than 6 coins for
Impossible,
20?
I think, sir.
Impossible. So
Ah,
if it is impossible, that mean that your solution is in optimal solution. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. Good. So now go back to my slide. Okay. Okay. Can you see my slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes,
go back
sir.
to the second problem. Okay. So now it's called about the assignment problem. Okay. So this is assignment problem. Okay. So this is assignment. So what is the assignment problem? So this is the problem is a minimization problem similar to the previous one. Okay. It's something like you have n people. Okay. You have n people who need to be assigned to n jobs. One person per job. Okay. And the cost of assigning person can be given as this is the matrix C cost with the I is the persons and J is the columns. Okay, about the job. Okay, and this problem should satisfy the following constraint. Only one job is assigned to a person, and each person is assigned with exactly one job. Okay, so then go move to the example. Okay, so here the example. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 persons A, B, C, E. Sorry, this is D. Should be D, and whatever. So and then you will have job 1, job 2, job 3, and job 4. Okay. So and this is the cost. Okay. So then the problem is find that the job for each person which can minimize the total cost. Can you see the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So something like you choose for instance person A. So what you want job person A, okay, and person B. For instance, person A, you will find, for instance, maybe job 2, since this is the low cost, and etc. Okay, so we'll find out the solutions. Okay, how to solve this problem? Okay, so now we consider about actually two solutions. First about the brute force and about the greedy algorithm. Okay, how about the brute force? Okay, so solve solve using you solve by brute force. Brute force. Okay. So this is an exhaustive. Of course, this is exhaustive search. Okay, approach. Okay. So then you need to find that job set, and then this is the total cost. So then you will generate all the possibility of the job. For instance, person 1 should be job 1, person A, person B, job 2, person C is 3 and 4, for instance, right? So then go back to the problem is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4. Okay. And you see? So the job 1. So you can see what 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this is for A, for B, for C, for D. So that the total cost is person A is job 1. So that means this is 9, right? 9 plus B is 2. So this is 4 plus C is job number 3. So this is 1. Okay. And this is 4. And D is job 4 is 4. And it is equal to 9, 4, 1, 4. 18. Yes,
18.
this should be 18. And then so this is should be 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4. It should be 19. Sorry, 18, right?
Yeah.
So this should be in 19. Okay. Okay. So or maybe you can find for instance that you can generate 1, 2, 4, 3 for instance and etc. You will find this one is 9 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 it's equal to 30 and etc. Okay. So then finally using exhaustive search you will find for instance the optimal solution is 2, 1, 3, 4. Okay, so which is this is 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4. This is 13. This is the optimal solution. Okay. Okay. So this is the solved by brute force. Okay. How to solve this one using the greedy algorithm. Okay. Back again to the greedy algorithm. So how to solve the assignment problem using greedy algorithm? Okay. By greedy algorithm. Okay. By greedy algorithm. First, that we need to make the metric of C. Okay, C is equal to this one. So right 9, 2, 7, 8, 6, 5, and 7. This is 4, 3. This is 7. This is 8. This is 1. So this is 8. This is 6. And this is 9. And this is 4. Okay. And so this is person A, B, C, and D. Okay. So now how to find the solutions? Okay. Find the solutions. Okay. So then how to choose actually using greedy? Okay, by greedy algorithm. Okay. The greedy algorithm we can solve by pick. So something like you greedy. You greedy about the minimum, right? You greedy about minimum. Okay. So something like you feel that you greedy search by the minimum. Okay. So then look at the column for each one. For instance, first for A. Okay. You want to assign A, right? You want to send A. So A first. A is that you first check at the job 1 and this column this one. Sorry, this is not A. Sorry. So first that you pick at the job one. See at this is job one, 2, 3, 4, right? So first that see at job one, job one. Okay, at job one, which one is the minimum cost? Of course that you will find 5, right?
Yeah.
This is the smallest. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and then it's belong to person C. Okay, so job one is belong to person C, which is this is 5. Okay, 5 costs, right? Okay,
Yes.
number 2, job 2. So the job 2, which one is the smallest cost?
Two.
Two
Okay,
person
so we need to write this one since this is C is already belong to yes, already
Job
have a
one.
job. Okay, so this is should be
Mm.
2, right?
Yes.
2.
Two.
So that means job 2, the cost of 2 is belong to
A.
person
A.
A. So then the rest, I think we need to just like that, something like this.
Mm.
Okay. So now focus on job 3. Okay. Okay. Job 3 is that which, so you have just only 3 and 9, right? So
Yeah.
3 and 9. You just pick which one is the smallest. Okay, so the smallest is 3.
Three.
That means 3 is belong to
B.
B. Okay. And finally, at the job 4, okay, so this is, so no other choice. No other choice. You have 4, right? You have 4. So job 4 at the cost 4 is belong to the D. Okay. So then what the total? The total cost. The total cost is 5 plus 2 plus 3 plus
Plus 4.
is equal to,
14.
yes. Is it optimal solution or not?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Not
Yes.
yet.
It is optimal solution or not?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes.
Why yes? Why yes?
Because the optimum solution must must have the smallest value.
Okay, small step first for you. Okay, go back to this one. So I have 13. In this one, I have 13. So that the greedy algorithm is not in,
No.
so
Optimal.
this is not in optimal solutions.
Not obtain optimal solution.
Okay?
Okay.
Any other questions?
No.
No, sir.
Okay, so if not, so go to the next exercise. Okay, I will call your name to solve this problem. Okay, solve this problem. For instance, you have person 1, 2, 3, and job 1, job 2, and job 3. Okay, so find using
Yeah.
the greedy algorithm. Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Nasir?
Hello, Armando.
I want to ask where is it? I didn't understand the last.
And how about we do
Me
first
neither. Don't
the
understand too.
Excuse
the
me,
food?
sir.
Yes, yes.
In the last examples, my internet
The last
stuck.
example, this one.
Yeah. Why it's
Greedy.
not optimal solution?
Why this is not optimal solution? Since that
Yes.
actually the optimal solution will get 13, right?
Oh,
13.
it's related to the previous
If you
one.
have 2, 1, 3, 4, it is the optimal solutions.
Okay.
You can check. You can check. If
Okay.
2, 1, okay, this is 2, you will have 1, okay, and the solution, you will have the optimal solution. But in this one is, since this is greedy, okay, because of it's greedy, okay, because of it's greedy.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Uh, so if we only calculate using greedy algorithm, we cannot decide the optimal or not optimal if you only calculate by greedy.
Yes, yes, sure.
We
That you
cannot
can,
decide.
yeah. So actually, we couldn't guarantee that our solution is in the optimal solutions. Beside that, you have to calculate by exhaustive search. If
Oh,
you if
okay,
you if,
sir.
if you calculate exhaustive search, of course that you will always find the optimal solutions, since
Oh,
that you can expand your solutions, expand the all possibility solution, and then you can search the optimal solution one. Okay.
yeah, but it's always near to the optimal, right?
Yes, the near solution. Yes, of course. Or it can be the optimal solution. It
Yeah.
depends on. Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
For the next exercise, we also need to do the exhaustive search or just
It's up
directly.
to you. It's up to you. It's directly you can find of also the is that possibility of the optimal solutions, or the maybe the smaller solution than the greedy algorithm. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. Anyone can help me to solve this one? So maybe you can share your works. If you have a whiteboard, you can also share your whiteboard.
Yes. Hmm.
Who want to share?
Um, yes, sir.
Okay, Dia. Just please share your desktop or maybe anything.
This, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. How
Uh,
how how it works? How the greedy algorithm
uh,
works for this problem?
First, we look for the job one. If we look at the first list, we
Mm-hmm.
look the smallest value. If I get this two, it belong to the third person. So we uh, kita hapus the other member of the job two and job three that belong to the third person because it already fine.
Mm-hmm.
And we directly to find the job, the second job. The second job is uh, four, four and four and one.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, sir, four and six because it we already delayed the one.
Mm-hmm.
The smallest is four. Four
Mm-hmm.
is belongs to the first person,
Mm-hmm.
and the job three is just only seven because we already delete three and five. So we just the seven is belong to the second person. So
Mm-hmm.
we get the solution is 2 plus 4 plus 7 is already 13. I think it's an optimal solution because we already get it from based on the greedy algorithm is we take it from the smallest value. That's it, sir.
Okay. So any other solutions? Anyone find any solutions?
No.
No, sir. The greedy
No.
same.
Sir,
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
actually, I also get the same result. But actually, if we see that, if we notice that the 13 is not optimal solution, because we can see also by the uh, exhaustive search, it will get 11.
11. Why? Why? How to get 11?
Because if we use the exhaustive, we'll got the job one, person C got 2,
Can
and
you
then
share? Can you share? Can you share?
uh,
Yep. Person one. Person one.
person one is person A. Uh,
Person one is job.
person one is C.
Hmm? Sorry. Sorry.
Person
Job
one,
one. Job one is belong
job
to.
job one to belong to C with the value 2,
Okay.
and then job two is belong to B 6,
Mm-hmm.
and then job three is A 3.
Yes. It should be
The optimal
11,
solution
right?
is 11.
Yes. That's correct.
Yeah.
You will find the optimal solution is 11. But the
Yes.
greedy, it is not in optimal solutions.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
other?
sir.
Okay. Any other questions? No.
No.
Okay. So now we move to okay. Wait a minute. Okay. So now move to the okay. Now move to this one. Okay, can you see my slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we talk about the job sequencing problems. Okay, so so what is the job sequencing problem? So it's similar to the previous one, assigning a job for some persons, but this is something like we want to get any job. You can take more than one job, but it is limited by the has deadline. Okay, so something like this problem, there are some jobs to be done in a single machine. Okay, and each job has deadline and profit. Okay, for instance, there are n jobs. Okay, npi is paid, so the profit is paid if only if the job I is completed. Okay, so this is completed before deadline. Okay, then the problem is now it is not minimized, but how to maximize the profit. Okay, so that's the problem right now. So this is the strategy of the problem. The strategy of greedy algorithm, greedy strategy is that first sort all job. Okay, sort all job in decreasing order of profit. Okay, so then initialize the result sequencing as the first job, and the third one for remaining n minus one job, if the current job can fit in the current result sequence without missing the deadlines, then add current job to the results. Else, ignore the current job. Okay, so now go back to the problem, this one. Okay, so now let's see the example. So for instance, you have a job, you will find job A, B, C, D, E, and then each of job have deadlines. For instance, if you take job A, and then you have a deadline 2, but you have a profit 100. Okay, if you take a B, you will have the deadline 1, but you have the profit 19 and etc. Okay, so then just pick any kind solutions or maybe candidate of the job that you can take which can have the maximum profit. Okay, how to check this problem? Okay, now is to solve by brute force. Okay, how to solve this by brute force? Solve by brute force. Okay, so then we have go back in this one. So this is job set. This is job sets. Okay, and this is the total profit. Okay. Okay. So if you don't take anything, okay, that means you have total profit of 0, right? If you don't take anything. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So how about if you just only take A? Okay. Go back to here. If you just take A, then you need the deadline 2 and you have a 100. Okay. So then you have a 100 and etc. And then you will find, for instance, if I take two, job A and job B, it is possible. So go back to this one. So if you take job A, which is deadline 2, and other one, you take B, which is deadline 2, it is not possible. It is not possible. If you take A, and then after that, you work in this 2, deadline 2, but after that you work B, but the deadline is 1, so it is not possible. Okay, it
Okay.
is not possible. So that means this is not feasible. Okay, the solution is not feasible.
Visible.
Okay, so how about A and C? How about A and C? So if I take job A first, job A, which is deadline 2, okay, and C also has deadline 2, right? So I
Yes.
think I can possible solve these two. So this is okay. Okay. So I think I can solve A and C since that both has the similar deadlines. Okay, two deadlines and two deadlines. So that means, so then this is possible. So if the possible is the profit is 127.
27.
Okay, go back. This is a
127.
127 and etc. Okay, and then finally, you will find that the optimal solution, it should be A, C, and E, or it could be C, A, on E, which is find 142 profit. It is the optimal solution. Why to get this one? Okay, go back to the ACE. So if I take E, this is deadline 2, right?
Yeah.
And then it is possible I will solve the C. Since this is 2, right?
Yeah.
And since E is 3 deadline, and then of course I can solve also the 3.
Yeah.
So the E. So this is, it is okay. Okay, so this is deadline. So maybe the longer deadline. Okay, so
Yeah.
that means I will work at A, C, and E. Since this is the E is the longer deadline. Okay,
Okay, sir.
did you got it?
Yeah,
So
got.
then this is the optimal solutions. Okay. Okay, so and etc. So you will find the possibility. Okay, so use this brute force. Okay, how about the greedy algorithm? Okay, so the greedy algorithm. Okay, so solved by greedy algorithm. Okay, how to solve by greedy algorithm? So then first that we sort the table. Okay, sort the table so such that you got A, C, D, B, E. Okay, so it should be 2, 2, 1, 1, 3. This is 100. This is sort by profit. Okay, 27, 27, 25, 16, and 15. So this is that line and this is profit. Okay. So step 1. Okay. So then how to solve this one? So then you should write this something like this. Time. This is your time. Okay. So you make time 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 5? You have 5. Okay. And then you have answer. Okay. Let's solve this one. So just pick, for instance, first that since this is greedy, so you should pick A, right? Since this has the maximum profit, right? So
Yes.
A has the deadline of 2, so you should write this is A. Okay, so they had the max. So this is the deadline 2, and go back to the C. C has the deadline 2. Okay, but I believe that I can solve just only one time, so can be C. Okay. Okay, any other questions for this one?
Okay, sir.
Any questions?
Sir,
No.
why the
Yes.
time one is C?
Oh, sorry.
Can you repeat why C?
Okay, so why C? Since that C has deadline 2. C deadline 2. For instance, you have 2 homeworks, A and C, but both has a deadline 2 days next. Okay, next 2 days. And that means you can solve actually 2 homeworks, which is you can solve C first and A the second one. Okay, and A at the remind. Okay, so that's why you can solve C in this one. Okay, since that the deadline is 2. Okay, so for instance, okay, go back to the D for instance. Okay, now D is deadline 1. So it is already filled by C, right?
Yeah.
So that's we couldn't possible in this one, since also C has the highest profit. Okay.
Yeah.
So how about this one? This is D. So this is not impossible in here. So D, it is not possible in this one, since that this is deadline 3. This is time 3. Okay. So this is time 3, but your deadline is 1. Your deadline is only 1 day, but this is only filled with for the 3 days. Okay. So it is not possible. And how about the B? B also this is not possible.
Yeah,
How
not
about the
possible.
E? E it is possible, since they have a deadline of 3 days. So and day 3 you can solve the problem E.
Yeah.
And that's it. So then you find the solution. X is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0.
0, 1.
So that's mean you pick A, B, C, D, E. Okay? Any other questions?
No.
So if you not
No,
if
sir.
you don't have a question, so just maybe solve this problem. Okay, so this is example. So find the greedy, the algorithm to solve this one. And sorry, and go back in here. It is optimal solution or not?
I
So what
think
is
yes,
total
sir.
profit?
Yes.
What
Yes.
the total profit? The total profit. Total profit is
142.
100 plus 27 plus 15 is
15.
equal to
142.
142.
142. Okay, so this is the optimal solution. Okay,
Okay.
optimal solutions. Okay. Okay, go back to this exercise. Okay, maybe one of you can share your works. Okay, anyone?
Yes.
Who want share? Okay, maybe I will choose. Okay, wait a minute. Why I couldn't find?
Prof the misal.
Why this is 19? Who doesn't come?
Faisal, I think, sir.
Faisal? Okay, no Faisal, right? Okay. So, okay.
I'm present, sir. Faisal.
Faisal, really? Are you here?
Owen, sir.
Yeah.
Owen ada.
Oh, I thought.
Okay, Owen, solve the problem, Owen.
Sorry, Owen.
Gimana, Sir?
Solve the problem, please.
Lagi ngerjain, Pak. Bentar, Pak.
Okay.
ABC.
So just tell us if you're ready, right? Okay.
Gimana, Pak?
Just tell us if you're ready. Okay.
Okay.
So don't take a long time.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Okay, so maybe I will take the I call the presence. If your name call, please say your presence. Okay, Hasna, is there Hasna? Hasna.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Muhammad Farhan,
Yes, sir, I attend.
Ahmad Rafi, Gifari,
Yes, I done.
Enrico,
Present, sir.
Tetel Sudatmika,
Present, sir.
okay, Muhammad Aufa,
Present, sir.
Rafli Misalfi,
Present, sir.
Nur Asar Setiawan,
Hadir, Pak.
Jonas,
Present, sir.
Inacio,
Yo, Zen.
Armando,
Present, sir.
Aurora,
Present, sir.
Dia,
Present, sir.
Yusuf Iqbal, no. Yusuf Iqbal, no one. Okay. Faisal Adli,
Present, sir.
Aska,
Present, sir.
Torik,
Present, sir.
Salsabila,
Present, sir.
Ramadan,
Present, sir.
Yusron.
Present.
Okay. Back to the problems. Okay. Owen, are you ready? Yeah, just share your anything you want to share.
Gimana caranya, Pak?
Press button the share at the middle of your This one.
Show.
You share? Share.
Tar. Nggak usah ketawa, Sal.
At the middle of the middle of mic. Beside of mic.
Oh, ya.
Okay, share your desktop.
Gimana ya?
Yes, that's it.
Iya, Pak.
Okay, how to solve the problem?
Kok beda? Tapi nggak tahu Pak ini bener apa nggak, Pak.
Yes, explain. Explain to us how to solve this one.
Tadi soalnya mana lagi? Aduh.
Okay, so the problem is A, just write A, B, C, and D.
Ya, jadi
Ini ada, okay.
A, satunya itu C, 2 itu A. Jadi nggak sih, Pak?
Okay, so so please delete your answer first.
Ini.
Answer. Okay, delete your answer. Please delete your answer. And A also delete. Okay, first start. What you can do? What you do?
2
What did you do?
times 1D.
Listen. Okay. Yeah. Whatever. No. Delete this one. Delete. We go to the column K. K. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
Ki ini, Pak.
K, not Q. Yes.
Okay.
Write
Yeah.
job ID. Job ID.
Job ID. Aduh.
Okay, next at the L is A.
Oh.
Okay, A.
Aduh.
Big A, B, C, D. Okay, next at the job ID, you write D. Write D. Type D, okay. D, no, small d. Okay, and then type on the right hand, type 2121.
2. Sini ini 1, Pak.
2121.
Aduh. 2. 1.
Okay. At the bottom is P. Start with P.
Profit ya, Pak.
P. Yeah, profit, yes. Yes, profit. And then it should be 100, 10, 15, 10. Sorry, this is not 15, 10. B is 10. The profit of B is 10. Okay. The profit of C is 15. The profit of D is 27.
Yeah.
Okay. So now how to solve time answer on the both of the you write at the C. Yes. Okay. Time is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Answer. How to solve this one?
Jadi ngurutin yang paling gede, yang D gitu, Pak ya. Jadi.
Okay. So.
What?
Okay.
C.
What you take first? C.
N. A. Ya.
Actually, not really. You can explain.
D.
Okay, so what you do first? Do you remember what you do first?
The first is
First sort first, right? Sort the table.
yeah.
Sort the table as
Gimana sih Pak? Bingung Pak?
Okay, anyone can help maybe? Anyone can help? Anyone can help to
Cal,
share?
bantu Cal. Cal.
Apaan?
Bantulah. Gak usah ketawa, Kak.
Hey, come on. Anyone can solve? Anyone can help to solve? Help Owen. Help Owen. Owen is
Yeah,
in emergency.
this one, sir.
Okay, share.
Yeah, this one.
Yes. Salsabila. Okay.
It's possible if we do two job in one time
What do you
because
mean?
the deadline is same.
Sorry, I don't get it.
Wait, this one. Muncul enggak? This one, sir. Yeah, in time one we do the job D and B because the deadline is same one.
That one is send one. No. No. Anyone. No, you first sort. First sort plus at the table and then choose at the highest profit.
Me, sir, I think.
Can I share, sir?
115 the total profit, sir.
Like Bung. Is it correct?
Which one? Okay. No. Go to how to solve. Okay, how to solve. Yes, explain me. Explain how to solve.
This one is for the search brute force. So in here we have a deadline for A, deadline 2. So it's 100, and then the B1 we cannot because it's only one for deadline 1. And then we move to C. Yeah, it can be also. So we only have A and C. That's why we got 115 for the total cost. And then this is the optimal solution.
A and C.
115.
Okay.
Yeah.
No. I think everyone having difficulty. Okay. Look at me. Look at my okay, can you see my slide?
Not yet, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not
No.
yet. Okay, wait a minute. Share. Screen share. Can you see?
Yeah. Yes.
Can you see? Okay. 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 Now how to solve this problem? So actually, you need to rewrite again the table, but in the order, the sorting. Okay. So you need to job ID is A D.
CB.
Yes, it's CB, something like that. Okay. So and then you D. So this is 2 and this is 1
2 1.
and this is 2 and this is 1. So and the profit is 100 and this is 27
27,
and
15,
this is 15 and this is 10.
10.
Okay. So then you need to find that the time. So time is 1, 2,
3,
3,
4.
4. Okay. And then you need to answer. So what you should know, should pick first. Pick, you should choose that the maximum first one. Okay. So what is maximum? Maximum is A. Job A, right? Job A. So job A has deadline 2. Just pick at the column 2. You just type A at the column 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you consider about D. Is it possible D? Yes. If D has deadline 1 and then you have the column 1 is empty and you should choose D.
Okay.
And now you have time 3. Is it possible C?
No.
No, since the deadline only 2. So it is not possible.
Why?
So you only have time 3. The remind time is 3 days, but the deadline is 2 days.
Okay.
So you it is not possible you solve C. Okay. Even B, the worst case. B is has a deadline 1. Okay.
Yeah.
So that you don't consider about that. So this is considered and so now the solution is DA. So the solution is A B B E. With total of profit is
127.
about that. Okay. Any other questions? Any other questions for this one?
Sir, how about the brute force?
Yes, the brute force is something similar to the previous one. So the brute force is you make the job set. Okay. So find what if the 0, if just only A, only B, only C, and you have the combinations for those.
Okay. 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 A C A E A E O.
Okay. Any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we move to the last example is about the integer knapsack problem. Okay. Okay, so can you remember again about the problem, this problem, knapsack? So okay. Okay, so the knapsack is similar way to the previous one. So the previous lecture. So the knapsack problem that we need to maximize the profit, and then we have a constraint. The constraint is that we have the capacity of our knapsack is K, right? So then so actually we already study about this, about the exhaustive search, that the list of the subset of candidates and then find the optimal solution, and which is have the time complexity is n time to power to the n. And how about in the integer knapsack? Okay, so by greedy. So the greedy, actually we have actually three strategy that we would like to use. First, that we can greedy by profit. Okay, we can greedy by weight, or we can greedy by density. Okay, but these strategies still have no guarantees. Okay, that the solution is in optimal solutions. Okay, so now go to the example. Okay, so go to the example. Okay, so example like we have we have four product or four items. Okay, so 6, 12. The the product one have a weight 6 and profit 12. Okay, and the second product is have a weight 5 and the profit is 15. And the item 3 has a weight 10 and the profit of 15. Okay, and this one is with the 5, with the item 4 with weight 5 and the profit is 10. Okay, with knapsack is 16. Okay, how to solve this one? By the greedy, okay, the algorithm. Okay, now how to solve this by greedy? So then you need to make table first. Okay, so you make a table about this is the object property. Okay, so this is the object property, and you have I, you have wi, you have the profit, and you have the density, profit divided by okay. Okay, actually you have okay, you will have this one, something like that. Okay, you have item 1, this is 6, 12. And there's item 2, you have 5, the weight 5, and this is 15, the profit. And you have 10, and this is 15. And then you have item 4, it should be 5, and this is 10. Okay. Okay. How about the density? How about the density? How about the density? So density should be 12 over this is 2, 3, and this is 5, and this is 2, right? Okay. Any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay, now is greedy by. Okay, so now you need to find the greedy by. Okay. Okay, now consider about weight. Okay, and profit and density. Okay, and how to solve this one? So then, so now the problem is you want to solve. Okay, you want to solve the weight. what do you mean greedy by weight? What do you think about the greedy by weight? Greedy by weight, something like you need to greedy the smallest weight. Okay. So greedy by weight, that means you pick the smallest weight, since that you will get the maximum number of item. Okay. If you get the maximum of item, then you expected to have the optimal solutions. Okay, do you got it? The problem? Okay. Okay, so greedy by weight is like you greedy to find the maximum item. Okay. Okay, do you got it? Okay, you find the maximum items, and then you expected that with the maximum item you take, then you get the maximum profit. Okay. This is total weight, and this is total profit. Okay, how to get that one? So now look at the table weight. Okay, so now greedy by weight. That means we look at the table, this one. So first that we choose the smallest weight. So this is 5, right? So I choose this one. I choose this one, and I choose this one. Okay, I choose this one, and I choose this one. Okay. Since this is smallest. Okay. So now how many weight I have the total? 10, right?
10.
10. And my knapsack is 16. That means I have 6 remain. Okay. And then luckily I found that 6 this one. Okay. So then I can pick 6. Okay.
Okay.
And so this is 0. That means the total weight is 16. How about the total profit? So the total profit is 12 times 15 times 10. Then I will get the 37.
37.
Okay. Now, how about the greedy by profit? So the greedy by profit is that, of course, this is reversed by greedy by weight. Okay. Greedy by profit, that means I pick the highest profit rather than the smallest one. Okay. So then if I choose the highest profit, then I should pick this is 1. Okay. So then I have already 10 kilogram. And then that's mean I only have 6. Okay.
12. Yeah.
So then, but since this is 15, so the largest one is this one, right? 15, right?
Okay.
So I choose 15.
15.
And then it should be 15. So only 1. So there's no 1 weight. So I stop. I just only 15. I have the value is 65.
65.
Okay. Since I have a greedy by profit. Sorry. Greedy by profit. Right. Greedy by profit. 0, 1. Is it okay? Greedy by profit. Okay. So okay, this is 12, 15. Okay. So then by the density, okay, then the greedy by density similar. It is find that the greatest the highest density. Okay. So that I should pick 5, which is 10, and I should pick 3 in this one. So this is 15, and you will get 65. Okay. And you get the optimal solution. The optimal solution, what the optimal solution actually? Without see this one. So the optimal solution is 110. Okay. So then what we can get that from this example, that we can get this. This is the optimal solution. So the profit and the density can have the similar to the optimal solutions.
Solution.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
I don't understand why the profit is um, 2 and 3, and the total value just 15.
Why this one? Why the profit?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So the profit is, you look at this table. Okay. For the profit, you look at this table. Okay. So this column, right? So find the maximum. Where the maximum?
Oh.
The maximum is 15. Okay. So then you choose the item number 3. So since this is the maximum. Okay. Okay.
The density.
Oh yeah, yeah. I understand, sir.
Okay. Any other questions?
The
Sir,
density, sir.
For
Why 2
density,
and
sir.
3?
Hmm?
The
What about
density.
for density?
Sorry?
The density. Why it's
The-
equal to 15 and 65?
So the density, this one, right? So this is the density. So look at the table. The density is, look at this one. This is density. So 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 pick the highest density. So this is 5. 5 the highest density, right? So I should pick 5. Okay.
okay.
And then I got 10. Wait.
Yeah, okay,
Oh
sir.
yeah, I see. Okay, okay, I see.
And then I choose 3. The next I choose 3.
Understand, sir.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay.
Sir, why the optimal is 0110?
Yeah, you can find the optimal solutions by the brute force or anything.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay.
Question, sir.
Okay. Any other questions?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, the optimal one. How to get it 0110?
By brute force, you can find by brute force or exhaustive search.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now go back to the. Okay, this is another example. Okay, so the example we have the 6 object. Okay, 6 object, and we would like to find the solution. Okay, so I will go quickly. So this is, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have weight. Weight is 100, and this is 15, and this is 45, and this is 20, and this is 10, this is 5, and we have, this is the profit is 40, 35, and 18, and this is 4, and this is 10, and this is 2. Okay, so this is the profit. So you have the density P over Y, sorry, W, and then you will find this is 0.4, this is 0.7, and this is 0.4, and this is 0.2, and this is 1, and this is 0.4. Okay, so now you want to greedy by weight. Greedy by. Okay, how to greedy by weight? So similar way, just the weight, the smallest weight, right?
Yes.
So this is K. The problem is K is equal 100. Okay, so this is the problem is that K is a 100. And then you choose the smallest one. This is 5. Okay, I pick one. So since this smallest weight, since this is the smallest weight.
Yes.
So just a different color. So this is 1, and this is 1. So just 15. My weight, the total. So just pick 20, right? So, and then I just pick one, this one. Okay. And no other choice. So this is 0 and this is 0. So the total is 18. Okay, with the total profit is total weight, and this is the total of profit. It is 34. Okay. Okay. Anyone got it? Anyone get it? This one?
Okay. Got it. Yes. Got it.
Sir,
Yes.
why we don't choose 1 and 2? Oh,
The
oh
total,
yeah.
the total weight, the total weight, the total weight. If you pick the item number 2, the total weight is exit more than 100. Okay. So since
Yeah,
you need to, you have this one. Okay.
if we choose 1, just 1. So the total is
From small.
Why you choose one? Since you want to greedy by weight. Greedy by weight is you need the smallest one. Pick the smallest, not the highest. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now greedy by profit. So greedy by profit, that's mean you see this one. Okay. You see this one. Which one is the highest profit? The highest profit is 40, right?
Yes.
You choose this one. But you have already 100. Wait. So that means you couldn't pick
Zero.
anything. You couldn't
Yeah.
pick anything. Okay. The total is 100, but you need the 40. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So and then how about the density? How about the density? About the density, you pick at the highest density. Which one the highest density?
0.7.
1 first, right? So 1
Yeah.
is the highest
1.
density. So that means you should pick this one. And then you have 10, right? You have 10. Plus,
2.
and
Yes.
then you pick
2.
0.7. Okay.
Yeah.
So this one I should pick. So that means you have 50. Okay. I have already 60. Okay. 40 left. Okay. So then I should choose anything, right? So 0.4. Actually, I have 0.4. So the problem
0.4 is 1.
okay, the problem is we should pick with the have the smallest weight. Okay. So that's mean I choose for the or this 0.5 with the smallest weight, but also have the highest profit. Okay. So that means if I choose this one, the highest profit, I choose this one. So that means plus 100. I think this is not possible. Okay.
Yeah.
So I don't pick this one. So if I pick this one, so my weight is should be adding 100. So this is exit the maximum. Okay. So
Okay.
so it is not possible. So how about this one 0.4? So this is 45.
Exit also.
It is exit also, right?
Yeah.
So that's mean you couldn't possible to fill this one. So this is 0. Okay. So then you choose this one 1.
1.
Okay. And then
65
and then
0.
and this one, right? You pick
Yes.
one. This is still this one. So this is plus 5 and plus
20.
20. And then it should be in 85.
85.
This is 51.
51.
And how about the optimal solution? So the optimal solution is that it should be 0, 1, 1,
1.
0,
0.
0, 1.
1.
Should be 100 and should be 55. So this is the optimal solutions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And in this problem that the greedy algorithm is failed. Okay. So from this one, the greedy algorithm is failed or maybe greedy algorithm fails to give the optimal
solution.
Okay, no solution can give the exact optimal solution. Okay,
Yeah.
the greedy by weight, profit, or density. Okay, any other questions for this one? No? Okay, so now we go move to the another. Okay, so the previously we have the integer knapsack. The integer knapsack, that means we choose this is the only integer 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now is go move to the fractional knapsack. So something like we assume that in this one, so we assume that the object can be partially rectified. Okay. Okay, so this is problem is called the fractional knapsack. So go back to the, okay, so you can read this one. Okay, you can read this one. How about this one? Okay, now is the fractional knapsack. So this is the problem. So, okay, go back to this one. I need to make the table first. And then this is I, 1, 2, 3. And then this is WI, this 18, 15, and 10. And then I have density PI, WI should be 1.4. And this one 1.6. And this is 1.5. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is P. So I forgot about the P. The profit.
Yeah.
Profit is 25 and 24, and this is 15. And there's PI over WI. It should be 1.4, 1.6, and 1.5. Okay. So now is greedy by. So this is greedy by.
By weight.
Okay. So the greedy by weight. Okay. How to greedy by weight? So then I choose the weight with the smallest one, right? So I should pick this one. That means, oh, so this is the K is 20. Okay. So if greedy by weight, that means if I pick one, this one. So that means I have 10, right?
Yeah.
So the remain is,
Yes.
so the remain is plus something, right? So it should be 10, right? It should be,
Yeah.
it should be. So the question is, it should be 10.
It's
Okay.
like
Okay. Now the problem is there is no 10.
Yeah.
So this is the smallest one. That means I need to change to make this one 10. So it should be
0.
Zero. Zero should be zero.
how to make this is 10. How to make this is 10. So 10 times. So it should be 10 over.
Minus
It
5.
should be 10 over 15. And this is here. Okay.
Why?
Why? Since that if you calculate this one, it should be the total. The total should be 20. Okay. For instance, 1 times 10 is 1 times 10 is 10. Okay. And this one is 10 over 15. Okay, sorry. This is sorry, this is over 10, right? So this is 15 over 10. Okay, sorry. About this one is 15 over 10. Okay? Is it okay? Okay or not?
point something.
Oh, sorry. This is good. This is good. This is sorry. This is sorry. So it should be 10 times 15. So this is 1 times 10 should be 10, and this is 10 over 15.
10 over 15.
Okay, so it should be 10. It is 20. Okay.
Yeah.
So this why it is called fractional. So this is why it is called fractional. Fractional. Okay. So we can choose partially rectified. Okay. Okay. Now is
Why not change with the 18?
sorry.
Why the 18 not change into fractions?
Why we don't change? Sorry,
The
I don't
eight,
catch your questions.
the 18, only 15. We can only do this for the 15. Why not the 82?
Why not 18? Since that we choose weight. Weight is we choose the smallest one.
Yeah.
Okay.
It will increase.
We choose the smallest. The smallest. Okay.
Yeah, we choose the smallest, but it's already past the capacity.
Yes. Okay. Now by profit. Now the profit is now is reverse by reverse with the weight. Okay. The idea is reverse. So then we choose the largest one. So the largest one is this one, right? So I choose this one. Okay. And this is by profit now. By profit. If I choose this one, so the weight is 15, right? So and the rest is 2, right? Okay. So then I choose the largest, the second largest. So this is 24. And since this is 15, so then this is 2 over. This is 2 over.
15.
Yes, 15. And this is 0. And this is where you get 20. Okay. And then how about by density? About the density, then we can pick the largest density. Okay. Similarly, we choose this one. So this is by density. Then I have 15, and then it is so the remind of 5, and that means the second one, this is 5, so this is 5 over 10, right? So then this is 0, and this is 20.
Yeah.
And of course that you will have this 131, you will have 28.2, and you will have 31.5. Okay. So the optimal solution, so the x is 0, 1, and half, right? So this is half. Okay. With profit is 31.5. This one. Okay. Any other question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is the exercise. Okay. So this is the exercise. Integer and fractional approach. Okay. Okay. So anyone can solve this problem. Okay, so